Okay, we got this sent to us from the brand. This is a portable Shop-Vac. This thing is really awesome. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Comes with a nice wall mount, so you can hang this up wherever you desire. It's got some really cool features. You can push it, turn it to change which direction that you want. Locks into place. This has an extender to reach them the hard to reach places. And then it has a brush already attached. Just flip it up. It's really easy too. You just take this, push this empty button, pulls right off. Pull this out, empty all your stuff. Snaps right back on. So, power button. It's got a really cool little LED light there on it. Then multiple power settings. Got good suction. We'll take this, we'll turn it. And get all this stuff cleaned out. We use our little extender to get back in here. We'll use our little brush. Do your floor mat. Really good. As you can see, just a real quick, picked up all that stuff I had on the floor. Did a really good job, so it's very lightweight, very easy to use and hold. If you guys are looking for a really nice portable Shop-Vac, check this one out. This is a great product.